Hey guys, it's Liz here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect lasagna, or Lizzagna as I like to call it. So, despite popular belief, you do not start out with noodles on the bottom. You start out with some sauce, which I already have made up here. I just make my sauce with ground beef and marinara and a little bit of sugar in the sauce. Just gives it a nice little bit of sweetness to it. This is actually a take on my mom's recipe. So, it's special like that. And it's a great, lower calorie, lower fat version of lasagna. It's really nice. So, get some sauce on the bottom. Pretty even if you can. And then we're gonna do our noodles. And I like to kind of start out about 3 across, and then kind of a fourth one over here. Save these pieces for later. Then we're going to add our cheese, which the cheese for this is a blend of cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and an Italian shredded blend. So, got 7 cheeses in here. And having the cottage cheese in addition to the ricotta cheese instead of just straight ricotta for the soft cheese will cut down on calories and fat. And of course, once it's all layered, you're not going to see all the layers, so it doesn't really matter how neat they are. So this is going to be a nice cheesy lasagna because I also have some Parmesan for the top as well as some more of the Italian shredded blend. So it'll be nice and cheesy. So now we're going to do another layer of sauce. I'm going to make this a thicker layer. So I've been making lasagna for about 5 years now. So not a real long time. But it's probably one of the better things that I make. Now we're going to add, you guessed it, another layer of lasagna noodles. you want, you can kind of alternate your noodle pattern. If you think like you want your pieces to each have like a more even ratio of everything. Now we're gonna do cheese. The cheese is definitely a very important part of the lasagna. You want it to have enough moisture to it that your lasagna isn't totally dried out. Especially if you want to have leftovers of it. Like nice, good leftovers. I grew up in a small family, so we had lots of leftovers. And now, another layer of sauce. I think for this one, I'm going to make this my final layer of sauce. So we got the starter layer of sauce at the bottom. We've got the nice big thick middle layer of sauce. And then we got this top layer of sauce. So now we're going to do our final layer of pasta. And I'm gonna do, for my last layer, I'm gonna do all the extra pieces that I was saving for the top layer. And they fit pretty nicely. So we got that. And then we got a lot of cheese for the top. We're almost done. We're getting the last layer of the soft cheese. I like to mix all the cheeses together in a bowl beforehand so you don't have to sprinkle the shredded on, like each layer of cheese. It's already mixed in there. So we got our our soft cheese on the top. Now we're going to put more of the shredded blend on the top. Till we don't see our noodles or marinara. Now I'm going to cover the whole thing in aluminum foil. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. I'll take it out and put grated Parmesan on the top and put it in for about another 15-20 minutes. And that is how you make lasagna. Thank you.